Hey, before this video starts, just note that at the end of the video is the GoPro footage and you should watch it. Thank you. Hey drivers, this is Andrew at ThirdCoastRC. So we're here today with the Redcat Racing R5 truck. Now this is a truck that had a very brief life. Maybe it lasted a month. They came, they shipped to dealers like us, and then Redcat recalled them all. And I think the main reason for the recall is the factory really did a poor job of thread locking lots of the small pieces, metal to metal screws and grub screws and things that hold pins in place on this truck. We posted a video yesterday that showed one of those problems, and you know, for new drivers just buying this truck, they run it 2 or 3 times and suddenly it's not working, and that is extremely frustrating. Redcat had a lot of people send them back to them under warranty, and in the end I think they just recalled the whole truck, which is a shame because we always want Redcat to do an 8S. This is an 8S power system in this truck, 5th scale truck. So I mean, here it is. I mean, it's a nice truck. It's got full aluminum shock bodies, full aluminum chassis, huge ESC, massive huge servo, enormous motor. I mean, the motor is massive with dual cooling fans. I mean, this was a solid setup for 8S, and we got two 4S 4000 batteries in the truck to run today. They're a little bit old, a little bit puffed because I did bad battery maintenance on these back in the day, but I think they've still got enough power in them to get this truck to go down the road. So what we're going to do is, it comes with this, or it came with this standard R2CE radio system, 2.4 gigahertz, and this truck, I mean, I always liked it. I was really sad to see it go, and I hope that one day it comes back. So we'll put the body shell on here. I mean, the body shell's a body shell. I mean, it's a little bit flimsy. It could have been made of thicker Lexan, but you know, you're trying to get this truck under a certain price point, and you can always line the inside of it with duct tape or put truck bed liner on the inside to make it last longer. So we're going to reach under and turn the truck on here. So the batteries we got in it right now are a little bit kind of weak. I can tell that, and it's taking a little while to get up to full speed. Normally this truck will pop wheelies. Right now it's not doing that, but we're going to keep going here. A lot of people didn't like the hard tires on this truck. I quite like them because they let you drift on the pavement. We're still faster than the cars going down the street, so we're still getting well over 35 miles an hour. You can hear them tires when you brake. We'll walk over here a little bit and do some figure of 8s around this parking lot here. Making them tires scrabble for grip here. Doing these tight maneuvers around this parking lot here. Tires are wet now from being on the grass. You can tell. You can definitely tell. this is a lot of truck. It's got a lot of wheel movement on it. I think that's because they use them very extended axles on it that we saw in the video yesterday. Those axle extensions. The tires really lean over in the corners, but it's hanging on there. I mean, it's a blast to drive. I mean, you can really get it drifting here. Get the opposite lock on. Take it down the parking lot again. Flash through the water there. It eats up the ground and it's put. See if we can beat this Mercedes back. Oh, I can't get in a straight line. Pretty sure we can beat this Nissan back. There we go, we passed the Nissan. Sorry, Tom. So that's the R5. I mean, I don't know, Redcat discontinued it pretty straight away after they brought it out. We kept ours because I always wanted a 5th scale truck that was 8S power system. Like I say, next video that we'll do, we'll put the high powered batteries in there, not these kind of weak ones, where we'll be able to see it pop a wheelie. But I mean, I don't know, I mean, it had problems out of the box. You know, it was a pain in the butt with things coming loose, and I'm sure Redcat was just losing money hand over fist with people returning it. But you can see there's a good following on RC groups for this truck, and people still have it. And we got a brand new one, another brand new one in a box there. If I ever need any spare parts, I can just strip it from that one. I guess at some point spare parts might become a problem for this truck, but we're going to keep it. We're going to keep running it. We like it. So thanks for watching, and coming to us here in Houston. Check us out on Facebook and on Instagram, ThirdCoastRC, and subscribe. Please subscribe. We're doing giveaways for every 100th subscriber. So come on, guys, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be posting videos, you know, almost every day whilst we go through this coronavirus problem, because you know, we like to get outside and get a little bit of fresh air, and there's nobody within 6 feet of us apart from the cameraman, who's my son, so that's okay. Thank you, guys.